Morning students. Now today we will start geography chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. So I am reading this paragraph. Try to understand. In a small village in Tanzania, Africa, Mamba gets up very early in the morning to fetch water. Fetch water means to collect water, to get water. So Mamba, name of a girl. Where she lives in a small village in Tanzania, Africa. Now she gets up early in the morning for collecting water. She has to walk a long way and returns after a few hours. For collecting water, she has to go for a long and she returns after a few hours. She then helps her mother in the house and joins her brothers in taking care of their goats. Now she helps her mother as well as brothers also. All her family owns is a piece of rocky land around their small hut. Now she has means her family has a piece of rocky land. We can say the for field around their small hut. Mama's father can barely grow some maize and beans on it. On it means on a piece of rocky land. Her father can barely grow maize and beans. After toiling hard, after we can say the cultivating hard or working hard, we can say here, after working hard, her father can barely grow some crops like maize and beans. This is not enough to feed their family for the whole year. Now, whatever the production, crops, her father can grow. Now, that is not enough for her family. Now, here I am reading another story. Peter lives in the heart of the sheep rearing region in region means here area in New Zealand. Now, where Peter lives in a sheep rearing areas, where it is located in New Zealand, where his family runs a wool processing factory. Now, her we can say the mama's family means cultivating and Peter's family. Now, his family runs a wool processing factory. Means he has a his family has a wool processing factory. Every day when he returns from school, Peter watches his uncle taking care of their sheep. Now after returning school, now Peter now takes care. What? Uncles, we can say that his uncle taking care of their sheep. Means he takes care the sheep also. Their sheep yard means ground, sheep ground is situated on a wide grassy plain with hills in the far distance. It is managed in a scientific way using the latest technology. Means sheep yard where the sheep which are reared on that field. So the all that is ground which is managed with means they Peter's family uncles also. Now they use technology as well as the scientific way using the latest technology. The shipyard which is managed by the advanced technology. Peter's family also grows vegetables through organic farming. Here organic underline, organic means uh, cultivation which is done without the use of artificial chemicals. So Peter's family also grows vegetables, but how? Through the organic farming. Now here we can see the comparison between the Mama's family as well as the Peter's family. Mamba and Peter stay in two different parts of the world. Now, Mamba, where she lives in a small village in Tanzania, Africa, and Peter, where he lives in a, we can say, the sheep rearing region in New Zealand. Two different parts of the world and lead very different lives. Now, both of them means Mamba and the Peter. Mamba lives different life and Peter lives different life. This difference is because of the differences in the quality of land. Why we can see the difference between Mamba's life as well as the Peter's life? Because of the difference in the quality of land. Land is different, soil also different, water, natural vegetation, animals, and the usage of technology. The availability of such resources is the main reason places differ from each other. So we can see the difference because of the uh, there is a difference between land, soil, etc. So availability of such resources, the whatever the resources are available, land, soil, water, natural vegetation, animals, etc., is the main reason because of the difference between the land, soil, and water. So this is the main reasons. So places also different from each other. So Africa is different from New Zealand. Now remaining paragraph we'll read in next clip.